What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Average Homeowner's channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can truly transform your lawn: overseeding. Understanding overseeding. So what exactly is it? Well, simply put, it's the process of planting grass seed directly into existing turf. It does not mean just putting down pounds and pounds of grass seed. It's literally just adding grass seed over existing grass. Think of it as over line seeding, like a fraction. And why is it so important? Let's find out. Before diving into overseeding, proper preparation is key. That means that aerating and dethatching your lawn to ensure the seeds have optimal soil contact. Don't forget to test your soil pH and adjust if needed. You can do this with the same soil test that I do. Link in the description below, it helps the channel out. Knowing the nutrients in your soil will give it the best shot at germination and growth. Next is selecting the right seed. And choosing the right seed is crucial for overseeding success. Consider factors like your climate, sunlight exposure, and the existing grass type in your lawn. You can find your climate zone using the Climate Zone Finder link below. It's also a good idea to look up your local county extension office and get their recommendation for grasses in your area. All right, before we get to the next part, if you have not seen my Overseeding a New Lawn vlog, it's called Overseeding Over an Acre. Go take a look at that. I put the picture of the thumbnail here. You can find it on my channel. I would really appreciate it. It's a whole new way to look at lawn care vlogging, and I hope you appreciate the content. Let's get back to this video. Now that you're prepped and ready, let's talk about techniques you can opt for to get that grass in the ground. You can opt for a broadcast spreader, silt seeding, or even using a lawn overseeder for larger areas. The choice is yours. On my lawn, I use a broadcast spreader and a rake in the seed, but it does take some time and intense manual labor. So what's after overseeding? Post-overseed care. Once you've overseeded, it's time for some TLC. Keep those newly seeded areas constantly moist to encourage germination. And remember, adjust your mowing and fertilization practices accordingly. It will take some time for your seeds to germinate, from 7 days for cool season ryegrasses and other cool season grasses to 21 days for some varieties of Bermuda grass. This can be one of the toughest parts of the process, so research germination periods for your type of seed and do not get discouraged if it doesn't pop up right away. Keep watering the area 2 to 3 times a day if necessary to keep the seed moist. As your grass begins to sprout, keep a close eye on its progress. Adjust your maintenance routine as needed. Ensure those seedlings grow into a lush, healthy lawn. This can include altering your fertilization schedule to allow for the new grass to germinate, sprout, and root. You want to provide a good, slow-release fertilizer to help this process. Some people recommend fast release at seeding, but I do not recommend that because of the increased risk of burning your grass or putting too much nitrogen on it and killing off that new baby grass. If you are looking to start a new lawn from scratch or doing a rebuild project to change out a grass type, watch this video to help you get started with that. If you found value in today's video, please feel free to hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, let me know where you're from and watching from, and hit that subscribe button so we can continue to bring you content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.